Emily's rainy day adventure. It was a gray and cloudy morning. Emily looked out of the window and saw rain falling softly on the street. She sighed. I wanted to play outside today, she said. Her mother smiled. Rainy days can be fun too, Emily. Let's find something exciting to do inside. Emily thought for a moment. Can we bake cookies? She asked. Great idea, her mother said. In the kitchen, Emily helped her mother gather ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, and chocolate chips. Don't forget the butter, Emily said, laughing. They mixed everything in a big bowl. Emily stirred carefully but got flour on her nose. You look funny, her mother said, and they both laughed. When the cookies were in the oven, Emily decided to draw while they waited. She drew a big rainbow and a happy sun. I hope the rain stops soon, she said. After a while, the smell of warm cookies filled the house. Emily and her mother sat at the table and enjoyed the delicious treats with a glass of milk. These are the best cookies ever, Emily said with a big smile. In the afternoon, the rain stopped. Emily put on her rain boots and splashed in the puddles outside. This is the best rainy day ever, she said, jumping in a big puddle. Her mother smiled from the door. Rainy days can be full of adventures. Great job, everyone. Today you learned some new words: rain, cookies, and puddles. What do you like to do on rainy days? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English stories. See you next time.